Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to be doing the second time of stuffing the $30. So I have a goal to stuff $30 each time I play these challenges. I plan on getting $300 by June to go to North Carolina. If y'all are interested to see if I meet my goal, make sure you turn your notification bell on, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, like this video, comment down below, save $300. And let's go ahead and get started.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you back.
Thank you so much for actually being here. My name is Cassie J. I am trying to be debt free within 6 months. Also, I have a couple of things that I am trying to get out of the way, like a couple of travel things that are already paid for that we need to collect some spending money. So I don't have much money because I'm paying off debt like crazy. So I'm trying to put $30 to this savings challenge at least once a week until I can get to June. Whenever we leave, I can have some type of spending money for like eating and hopefully like the hotel and stuff like that, and just to be able to come back without any issues. We are going to stuff $30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and a 10 to make 30. I saw that in my last video, I had put, I think it was like 15, and there was a lot of ones, so I was trying to get the 10s out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, that doesn't make sense because it's all going in here. Never mind. I did that completely wrong. I got a 10. I literally got a 10 out and was like, you know what? I'm going to get this going for this. But since there's only 3, one of them is going to hit 10 anyway. So it's all going in here anyway, Cassandra. Like, what? Really? All right, so let's see what challenge is going to be done first. That's how I am doing this. So we have $3 here. 1, 2, and 3. No whammies. We're not going to do the $10. We're going to do, well, 1. Oh. I literally just want it to be over with so I can see if I can even save $300. I don't think I'm going to make it because, like, when I say my income is tight, it is tight, y'all. So I am trying to be there for the babies. One of them graduates in May, and the other one graduates in June. And so the one in May is just Houston up the street. This is $3, and it's like it's there and back. I don't have to like worry about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't have to worry about like trying to get a hotel and stuff. We could just go there for the graduation, and then we have a place there, so it's not that big of a deal. And then coming back, I could come back the next day or the same night. It's like really, but the one in North Carolina, baby, we ain't never been over there, okay? So we're like, I don't even know when it's gonna be and everything. So it's kind of like we're kind of pushing our luck. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna mark off 6 on this challenge. And then you know what? Instead of actually separating the money and putting it on here, I could just do the cards and sum up the cards and put it on here because it's all going in the same place. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. But I also like to count the money. So there's that. So 17. We definitely ain't got no ones in here. So we're going to have to figure something out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven right here. so far, I feel like this one has more. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. I'm kind of curious to know which one is filled or which one ain't. Matter of fact, whenever I get back, I'm not going to put all the money into the high yield savings. I'm going to make dashboards, put it for my A5 so I can see, so we can count the money as to which one's closer to being finished. Yeah, because stuffing it all in one envelope is not working for me. Even though it's going all to the same place, I just want to see which one's going to be stuffed first. So I don't know. All right, I'm tired this week. I have been running high and dry. All right, so I will hopefully see y'all next week. We can stuff these. I know these videos are kind of short and like kind of, it looks kind of pointless, but I need to stay motivated. And I really, honestly, I don't care if it's weird that I'm stuffing 3 different challenges at one time just to save $300. I don't even know how much money at the end I'm going to have whenever I complete this. I think that's really actually what's keeping me motivated to keep going, because this one I know it's 100, that one's 132. So with these two, it's $232. But with this one, I have no earthly idea as to how much this one is even going to save. And so it's going to get me over the amount that I need, because this one alone is 232. So I just really need 72. Nope. I just really need $68 to meet my $300 goal. And I already know that so far, 7, 12, and 15. I already stuffed 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $27 already in here. Just marking 3 things off. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. I'm excited. But I'm going to try to get the money envelopes for these so that it won't be so weird. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye, guys.